Okay, so here we have an equation, logarithmic equation. It's in the form of exponential logarithmic equation. We want to know if once we simplify the entire expression equation, does that look like one of these four options? So the first thing that we're going to do, we are going to take the log of both sides. So we have log of b, and the exponent of that is c log d of base b. That's the exponent of that, which is equal to log of a. Great. Now we're going to use one of the log laws, and that's the exponent that we have. So this is the exponent of b. So what we are going to do, that becomes c log d base b, comes to the front, basically multiplied by log of b. That's one of the log laws, and log of a stays the same. Okay, now we are going to change the base all to base 10, because log of b in here has a base 10. So by doing that, we can see a pattern, and we're going to take advantage of that, because we can see that log of b can be divided by log of b, and the left hand side becomes c log of d equals log of a. Now we are going to solve for c. So c equals log of a divided by log of d. And now we are going to rewrite that using the change of the base again. So we're going to change it to the base d again. And when we have it setup like this, and this can be rewritten as the exponential form. And that is d to the exponent of c is equal to a. Now, which of the four options looks like a equals to d to the c? It is 3. Okay.